next verse.
I have decided to be his witness, to take a stand for him. There's nothing better, there's nothing greater than a life with him. I will not cease to praise his name. My life's been changed by his grace. I'm following Jesus. I'm following Jesus. I'm following him today. I'm following Jesus. I'm following Jesus. I'm following him today.
The cross before me, the world behind me. I fix my eyes on him, my creator, my living savior, forgiver of my sin. Oh,
The cross before